Welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to add a quiz to YouTube video. So to do it, it's really simple. You have just to go to your channel. Of course, you should go to the YouTube studio where you can upload videos. And after that, you go and click on Create. Click on Upload Videos. And click Select Files. You go here and you choose the video that you want to upload. Click Open. After that, you fill all the informations normally on your video like you used like to fill them. Click Next. After that, choose monetization if your channel is monetized. Add suitability. This one, you fill them normally without any modifications. And when you arrive to the next screen, this one, video elements, you have to scroll down until you find Add Quiz. Add a quiz. Click on it and click Add. And here you will have the options to add the quiz. And of course, you can choose when your quiz will appear and will start on your video. As you can see here, or you can put it, you can type when you want it to start. And here you will type your quiz. For example, I will type test. And after that, go here, you can put answers. This is the first answer, this is the second answer, and you can add more answers, and you can add also an explanation to your quiz. And after that, you click on Save. And it tells you once the quiz is saved, you won't be able to edit it. If you need to make changes, you must delete the existing quiz and create a new one. Please note that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Click on Save. And as you can see, the quiz is added. And after that, you click Next and Next again. And after that, you choose if you want to put your video private and listed for your members only, or you want to make it also public. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.